Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Good morning and assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you? Hope you all are fine and safe at your places. May Allah keep all of you in mercy and protection. Ameen. This is me, your English teacher, and this is your English class. Dear student, before going to take start, here are some instructions for you. Kindly follow them. Instructions are: keep your English midterm copy and pencil with you. Take screenshot of home task and activities. Do all work in midterm English copy. Keep your videos off. Use your headphone. Don't raise hand during the lesson. If you have any queries, ask the end of the lesson through chat. Join class with your name. Now student, move to our class. Let's start our class. So student, can you tell me what we did in our previous class? Can you tell me what we did in our previous class? Are you remember? Yes, we learn about two-letter word. We learn about two-letter word. So student, can you tell me what is two-letter word, or how we make two-letter words? Can you tell me? Okay, don't worry. I'm telling you how we make two-letter words. Okay, now listen to me carefully. Two sound make sensible word, or we can say when we join two letters together, it will make new words. That's called two-letter word, but it should be meaningful. Again, I am repeating. Two sound make sensible word, or we can say when we join two letter together, it will make new word that's called two-letter words, but it should be meaningful or sensible. Okay, are you got my point? Are you got my point? It's mean जब हम we will make friendship between two letter. It's make two letter words. Okay. Now students, how we make two letter words? Let's see. Okay, now start. This is letter O. This is only one. This is letter O. This is only one. When we add another letter and it's become two-letter word on. Okay, now repeat with me. This is letter O. This is only one. When we add another letter and uh, we will make friendship between them. So uh, so they become two-letter words. Okay, O and on. O and on. O and on. Repeat with me, students. This is two-letter word. O and on. This is letter O. When we will friendship between O or N, it's become two new letter word. O and on. O and on. Now move to the other example. This is also letter O. This is on. This is alone. This is also letter O. This letter O is alone. Alone means only one. When we add another letter F, it's become two letter words off. It's become two letter words off. O F off. O F off. O and on. O F off. O and on. O F off. Now here is some more example how to make two-letter words. So look at your screen carefully. Okay, students. Okay, student. Can you tell me which letter is this? Which letter is this? Yes, you all are right. This is letter M. Which letter is this? This is letter M, and this is only one. This is only one. M is alone. So we will make friendship between M or Y, or M or Y. They become friend and they make sound my, 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 my. Okay. Now another example. Look at your screen. Which letter is this? This is letter N. Which letter is this? This is letter N. This is on this letter is only one. This letter is only one. When we add another letter O, it's become two letter word. No. It's become two letter word. No. N O no. N O no. N O no. Now look at your screen. Here is one more example. This is letter S. This is letter S, and this is letter O. And this is letter O. Both are alone. Okay, when we will make friendship between them, it's become two letter word. So it's become two letter word. So 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 so. Okay, now here is one more another examples. This is letter T, this is only one, and this is all alone. Here is another letter. This is letter O. When we will make friendship between them, it's become two letter words two. It's become two letter word two. Two. Which which letter is this? T. And which letter is this? O. When we when we join together, it's become two letter word two. 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 Okay, now student move on. Okay, which letter is this? Which letter is this? This is letter U. Which letter is this? This is letter U. We put letter S. It's become two letter word us. It become two letter word us. It become two letter word us. US us. US us. Now look at your screen. Oh wow, which letter is this, student? W. Which letter is this? W. Okay, when we put another letter like E, it's become two letter word. And which word is this? This is V. W-E-V. 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 Okay, we will make friendship between W and V. It's become two letter word V. W-E-V. Now move on. Okay, can you tell me which letter is this? Which letter is this? Yes, this is letter U. You all are right. This is letter U. Very good students. You all are right. This is letter U. Okay. जब हम U की दोस्ती किसी और लेटर से करवाएंगे तो ये क्या बनेगा? ये टू लेटर वर्ड बनेगा. Now let's see. We will make friendship between letter U and P. U and P. It's become two letter word up. Which letter is this? Up. Which letter is this? Up. UP up. UP up. UP up. Okay, now move on. Now repeat with me all two letter words. Okay. Okay. Which letter is this? This is letter A. And which letter is this? This is letter M. Both letters are together make two letter words. It's called M. 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 A M M. A M M. A M M. Okay, now look at another letter. This is letter A and this is letter N. When we join two letters together, it will make new word letter N, new word N. New word N. A N N. A M M. A N N. A M M. A N N. Okay, student, now keep focus on it. Here is letter A. Letter A is grass letter. Where we write grass letter? We write grass letter between center two lines. And M is also grass letter. Where we write grass letter? We write grass letter between center two line. And N is also grass letter. You all know where we write grass letter. Okay. Now come to the next word. Okay, again, this is letter A and this is letter T. When we join two letters together, it will make new word at. A-T, at. A-T, at. A-M-M, A-N-N, A-T, at. T is sky letter. T is sky letter. So keep focus on it. Where we write T, we write T upper three lines. Okay, now move to the next word. Which word is this? B. Which word is this? B. Yes. When we join two letters together, it will make new word. New word. It's word B. B E B. When we join letter B with E, it's make new word B. B E B. B E B. Now repeat with me. A M M. A-N-N-A-T at B-E-B. Now move on. Which which letter is this, student? Yes, this is letter D. When we when we join another letter O with D, it's become two letter words. Do. D-O do. D-O do. D-O do. Okay, now look at another word. Which letter is this? Which letter is this? G. Another letter is O. We join two letters together, it will make new word to go. G-O go. D-O do. G-O go. D-O do. G-O go. Now another word. This is letter I. When we when we join letter N, it's make two letter word in. I and in. I and in. I and in. Okay. Now another word is. Which letter is this? I. Which letter is this? I. Okay. When we write another letter like S, it's become word, two letter word. It's become two letter word is. Okay. Now repeat with me. D O do. G O go. I N in. IS is. Diodu, Giogo, INN, IS is. Move to other slides, student. Okay. Which word is this? It. Okay. First you tell me which letter is this? This is letter I. Which letter is this? This is letter I. And which letter is this? This is letter T. Okay. When we write another letter T, when we write another letter T, it's become new two letter word it. Which word is this? It. IT it. Another word. Okay. When we join two letter together, it's make new two letter words and the word is on. O and on. O and on. O and on. IT it. O and on. This letter is letter O. This is the letter O. And other letter is letter F. When we join two letters together, it will make new two letter words that's called off. That's called off. That's called off. That's called of. Okay, student, this is letter M and this is alone. This is letter M and this is alone. When we write another word Y, it's become new two-letter word my. My. Okay. IT8, IT8, ON on, OF off, MY my. MY my. Okay. Here is another example, more examples. Look at on your screen. NO no, NO no. When we join two letters together, it will make new word. That's called two-letter words. बिल्कुल इसी तरह when we will make friendship between N and O, it's become new two-letter words no. N-O no. N-O no. Here is word so. S-O so. S-O so. N-O no. S-O so. N-O no. S-O so. N-O no. S-O so. Now other word is two. TO2. TO2. Join two letters together. It will make new two-letter words. That's called two. That's called two. Yeah, we can say we will make friendship between T and O. It's become letter word TO2. TO2. Other letter is us. US us. US us. USS. Okay, students, now move to other activity. This activity is how to identify two-letter words. Let's see. Here is some activity. In this activity, we learn how to identify and find out two-letter words. Okay, how we find out two-letter words. Activity. The caption is find out and search two-letter words from the given word bank. Here is a lots of word. Okay, here is two-letter words and three-letter words. How we find out and searched. Look at your screen. Okay, observe the word carefully. Okay, observe the word carefully and find out two-letter word. Count it. How many words are in this word? How many word in this word? One, two. One, two. Yes, it's mean this is two-letter words. It's mean this is two-letter words. Which letter is this? D. Which letter is this? O. When we join two letters together, it will make new letter word do. Do. Okay. You can circle it. Okay. Wow. Come to the other letter. First, you will count how many letters are there are there. There are one, two, three. Three letters in this word. How many letters are there in this word? There are one, two, three. Three letters in this word. So ignore it. This letter is three-letter word. If so, ignore it. Now come to the next letter. Next word. First, you count how many letters are there in here. One, two, three. There are three letters. So this is not two-letter word. Ignore it. Okay. Now come to the next word. Okay. First you will count. Which how many letters are there in this word? One, two. There are two letters in this word. Oh wow. This word is two-letter word. So circle it. Okay, can you tell me which letter is this? This is letter U. Which letter is this? This is letter U. Okay. And which letter is this? This is letter P. And this letter is this? Which letter is this? This is letter P. When we when we will make friendship between U and P, it's become new two-letter word up. UP up. Okay, you can circle it. Now come to the next letter. First, you have to count one, two. Oh, this letter is also two-letter words. Okay, which letter is this? W. And which letter is this? E. So you We will make friendship between W and E. It's become new two-letter word V. So this is two-letter word. You have to circle it. Come to the next letter. Again, here is two letter in this word. So this is also two-letter word. Which word is this? No, 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 no. So you have to circle it. Okay, come to the next letter. Again, here is two letter words. How you know this is two letter words? First, you have to count. This is one and two. This is letter O and this is letter F. When we will friendship between them, it's become two new letter word of. So you have to circle it. Okay, student. Now come to the next letter, my next word. Okay, this is letter I and this is letter F. They are two letter in this word. Here are two letter in this word. So this is two letter words. Which letter is this? I. And which letter is this? F. I F. If. I F. If. Oh, this is two letter words. So circle it. You have to circle it. Now next letter. First you count how many letter are there. One, two, three. There are three letter. Okay, so you ignore it because this is not two letter words. So student, this is the way find out to two letter words. Hope you all are understand this activity and enjoying also. Okay, now move to another activity. Okay, make two letter words according to the given letter. Here is इसका मतलब है जो letter यहाँ पर दिए गए हैं A, I, O उनसे हम उनके अकॉर्डिंग हमें टू लेटर वर्ड्स बनाने हैं मेक टू लेटर वर्ड्स अकॉर्डिंग टू given letter. Here is letter A, here is letter I, and here is letter O. Okay, how we make two letter word? Now look at your screen. There is letter A. There is letter A. When we put the letter M, when we put the letter N, which word is make? Which word is make? Yes, the letter I, A and N together make two letter word N. Two letter word N. Wow. Now look at other example. This is letter A. This is letter A. We put the letter M. We put the letter M. Okay. Which word is make? Can you tell me which word is make? Yes, the letter A and M together make two letter word M. Two letter word M. Same as this is letter I. This is letter I. We put letter S, which we put letter S. I and S together make two letter word is. This is letter I, and we put another letter F. We put the letter F. The letter I and F together makes two letter word if. These all words are meaningful and sensible. Okay. Now come to the other. This is letter O. This is letter O. We put letter N. We put letter N. The letter O and N together makes two letter word on. 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 Okay. This is also letter O. This is also letter O. We put letter F. We put letter F. The letter O and F together makes two letter word off. Hope students you all are understand. You all are get my point. Okay, here is again the letter U M B. Same as first you write letter O U. First this is letter U. This is letter U. We put the letter P. We put the letter P. Which word is make? Which word is make? Yes, the letter U and P together make two letter word up. UP Here is letter U. Here is letter U. We put the letter S. We put the letter S. U and S together make two-letter word us. Two-letter word us. Okay. Same as it is. This is letter M. We put letter Y. Both are to, both are together. Make two-letter word my. This is letter M. This is letter M. We put letter E. It's become new two-letter word me. Okay. This is letter B. This is letter B. We put letter E is here. It's become two new letter word B. Same like this is letter B. We put letter Y. The letter B and Y together makes two letter word by. Okay, students. Here is some activity. This is your copy page from 105. You have to write two letter words on, on, of, off, my. You have followed the formation. You all know O is O, N, and M are grass letter, F is sky letter, and Y is root letter. So you all know where we write grass letter, where we write sky letter, and where we write Y, where we write root letter. So write down these two letter words in your copy with formation. Now here is another activity. Circle the two letter words only with blue color pencil. Here is a lots of word in this word bank. Only you have to circle two letter words with blue color pencil. आपको blue color की pencil से circle करना है. Only two letter words. Okay, this is also from your copy page number 104. Now, okay, students, first you will take a screenshot of this page. This is word building. This is word building. Okay, you have to screenshot of this page. Okay, now again write two letter words same as it is. You have to write two letter words where we write grass letter, where we write root letter, or where we write sky letter. Follow the writing formation. Again, another activity, write two letter words from the help of given letter. Yeah, here is letter A, B, I, O, M. So you also know how we make two letter words. So you have to make two letter word by yourself. Okay, this is your copy page. So you have to write by yourself. Okay, students. Now other activity, make a list of two letter words. Make a list of two letter word. So here is letter A M N, A N N, A T A D, B E B, D O D, G O Go, I N N, I S S, I T 8, O N on, O F off, M Y my, N O no, S O so, T O 2. These all are two letter words. So you have to write these all two letter words in your copy. Take a screenshot of this page. And you all know where we write grass, root, and sky letter. Kindly follow the formation. Okay. Now here is home task. Complete copy pages from 104 to 109. Complete copy pages from 104 to 109 and revise two letter words from your copy. Okay, this is your home task. Complete copy pages from 104 to 109. Revise two letter words from your copy. This is your home task. You can take a screenshot also. Okay, students, it's all about today. It's time to leave. Stay safe, stay home, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.